First, actually, the third sound, okay, a, 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 a. Again, the two name long naturally distinguished out the neck tone, the good tone, and the bouchon yang. First one again, a, 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 a. A. Go to the English word is to scold. Okay, to scold. Chỉ bảo the mong lên bù the lỡ bù hai the chệ nó theo. That chỉ mong đỡ the chệ. Okay, when you scold someone, chệ. And then second one is sound is a. Go to the English word is hand. Okay, your hand. Your tệ lỡ mong đau nữa. Okay, your tệ. A tệ without the t is tệ a. Okay, so I'm going to say the t and then without the T is te, a. Next one is a. English word is leg, your legs, okay? So ke, a, ke, a. Okay? Lưu shua number 9 là a. Lo lu mi ka te, small, petite or tiny. Pe lu mong là me. Okay, a me. It's not me, even though you show you show me, right? But it's me. Okay, me. A me. Next sound is ev. Ev nó giờ a chỉ cú nữa, okay? A chỉ cú nó giờ a. English word is to peel. Okay, to peel. Peel a fruit. Okay, something like that. Lu mong đau là tệ. So a te, it has to rhyme again, okay? A te. You can't say a te. Okay? That's not right. That's not rhyming. Okay? A. No, okay, so mong linh lo lu đua, okay? Mong đỡ lo te de. Water, no, okay? Water. Pe mong đỡ te de. Mong linh te tle. Automatic. Anything that mong đỡ te to di đó de. Ne mong linh te tle. And the next one as well. Lu shua te a. Okay. English word is far. Okay. Far. Cho lo lu mong te lo lu far nó pe mong đau chai tao cha. De. Okay. De or de. So de a. So that is line number 3 here. But in total, there's line number 6 already. Okay. Uncovered 6 lines already. So any questions on any of the sounds in all these 3 lines? Okay, good, Amma.